So there is a big demand for this, a bigger demand than we've ever seen. And when we look back at the previous bull markets that took place 4 years ago and 4 years before that and 4 years before that and 4 years before that, we never had this kind of institutional adoption. Not to mention over 150 US companies, or companies I should say, that have adopted the Bitcoin standard and are putting Bitcoin on their balance sheet. I mean, we couldn't be more bullish for what's going on. And yes, it is frustrating. I do understand to see that it's chopping sideways and you wake up in the morning, you're like, come on, when is this thing going to run past 109,000 and Bitcoin's going to hit a high? Come on, MicroStrategy's been trading sideways for the last 2 months. But let me remind you, okay, when I got in MicroStrategy in early 2024, I bought in early. I remember when it ran all the way up to 1900 and I was like, wow, man, I just tripled my money, right? And it then ran all the way down to 1100. And then I remember waking up day after day, week after week, month after month, and just watching it chop sideways for months and months and months. This happens. This happens during bull runs. We would all love to see it go straight up and vertical, and that would be the game, and like boom, but that would actually be bad because the sell-off pressure would be so high at that point. It would heat up so fast and people would just sell off. So the way we're moving, despite the fact whether people like it or not, I think is good. I think there's demand being built up. Nations are pouring in. States are looking to pass legislation. The US is going to pass some legislation on this. They have to. There's no way the US can deny that crypto is going to be part of the entire world. And we see that nations and other countries are following right now. So this is the future. It is here now. It is happening.